across.
Huh?
It's coming across.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah, you keep bringing some sticks for the nest. Guess he brought one in. Yeah, he was moving a branch around. Yeah, he stayed out. That came from one of the trees near to the pond, and he stayed down there a good while, like he was taking a break. So, but she started fussing, like, "Come on, we've got to get stuff moving." Maybe he just wanted to sit down there and watch the sunrise. It was a really pretty sunrise here this morning. I didn't do a photo of it because of the power lines. It's just, sunrises are prettier if I can do them from the Pritchett side looking back across the pasture. But keep doing a few of these videos of the nest building. That's 3 branches they've added a day. And I sort of keep, it seems to be each day it's like 3 or 4, and then that's it. It's 7 o'clock. It'll be interesting to see how long they stay around today.